All right, so we're going to look at how to add unlike fractions. And we can tell that these are unlike fractions because their denominators are not the same. So the first thing we have to do when we have 2/3 plus 1/4 is to find common denominators. And in order to find common denominators, we have to find our LCM. And LCM is our least common multiple. So I usually start out with the smaller number. We can do about the first 5 multiples. So I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And then I can stop. I can always go back. Then I check my other denominator, 4. 4, 8, 12. And then I can stop as soon as I have 2 common multiples. So I'm going to circle 12 because that's what I'm going to use as my least common multiple. So now I need my denominators to be 12. So I take 2/3 and I'm going to make an equivalent fraction with 12 as my denominator. So then I think 3 times what is 12? Or I can count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. Whatever I do to the denominator, I do to the numerator, and 2 times 4 is 8. So that's my first fraction with a denominator of 12. So I'm going to circle that. And then I'm going to go and do the same exact thing with 1/4. I'm going to make an equivalent fraction with 12 as my denominator. So 4 times what equals 12? So 1, 2, 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. Whatever I do to my denominator, I do to my numerator. And 1 times 3 equals 3. So then I'm going to circle that. So now I can rewrite it from the problem up above. So 2/3, which is equivalent to 8/12, plus 1/4, which is equivalent to 3/12. And now I have common denominators, so I can add. So when I add like fractions, the denominator just comes across, and then I just add my numerators. So 8 plus 3 equals 11. So 11/12 is my final answer.